guys, this is Alicia with Good Morning Sunshine. So today I had my 4th day of vet school. I didn't have lecture today, only labs today, 3 labs actually. My first one was a microscope lab, my second one was an anatomy lab, and then last but not least I had my bovine lab. In the microscope lab, we learned how to use microscopes, which a lot of us already knew how to do since working in the vet practice. We learned what a round cell was, a mesenchymal cell was, and an epithelial cell was. So we kind of all see those round cells, pretty self-explanatory, they are round. And then the mesenchymal cells, they're kind of oblique looking, and then the epithelial cells, they're more boxy. They can also be round, but then they usually have like a white spot in the middle. But anyways, I took this really amazing picture that I kind of want to put on a canvas. But it's really cool, so I took a picture through the microscope. I know you've probably seen, but yeah, it was my best picture yet. I'm going to show you kind of, it doesn't have the words on it, but we just had to find all 3 of those cell types within a tissue, so that was fun. I thought that was really cool and really cool looking. So, but anyways, if I can show you here, I'm going to try my best so you guys can see it. So these are the oblique cells, and then we have the round cells, and then we have the epithelial cells down there, if you guys can see that. But then I had my anatomy lab, which we skinned a dog. So we're in a group of 4, but also a team of 8. So we have 2 dogs and 1 cat for the group of 8, but my group of 4 worked on 1 dog mainly. We had a Cocker Spaniel. I think our other group members had a beagle, and then we had a black cat. But anyways, we skinned like the whole left side from like thoracic cavity up to the elbow, up to the neck. So we took the skin off today, or made a flap, I guess, because we had to cover back up and tie it back up. So we did that today, so that was kind of interesting and cool. We got to use a scalpel, so that was cool too. And then, of course, the bovine lab, the one I've been dreading all week. So we learned how to put cattle in a head chute so they can feed. And then we learned how to tie them up to the head chute with a slip knot or a quick release knot. The terms are used both ways, same term. And then we learned how to pull a cow down, like to the ground when you're doing certain kind of procedures on the stomach. And we learned how to tie their feet together, and we also learned how to catch a cow in a chute. But yeah, we all got really dirty, and it was 90 degrees out, and we could get water, but just like 3 times, not even 3 times, I think it was more like 2. But anyways, we were all in our coveralls and our rubber boots, but it's not as bad as I thought it'd be, but it was still pretty bad. But yeah, large animals aren't going to be my thing. I kind of already know that. I mean, I'm open to anything, but small animals where my heart is, I think. So, I love you guys, and I hope you guys had a good day. That was my day today. It wasn't as bad as because we didn't have lecture, but we have integrative stuff tomorrow. I guess we get clinical cases and get to work as a team to figure them out. So I'm about to read a paper on that. And yeah, study some more, but I hope you guys have a good night. Thank you so much.